This assignment is called Filters, Filters, Filters because we're going to learn how to use filters in Photoshop or Photopea. In this assignment, as I'm reading right here, you will create a filter comparison chart containing 12 repeating images using different filters. So here's the comparison chart in total. It's actually, there's the original with no filter, and then there's 11 other images with filters. The original and duplicate images must be resized to 4 inches wide by 2 inches high. So this is the original image at 4 inches by 2 inches at 72 pixels per inch, and then placed on a 12-inch wide by 8-inch high canvas at 72 pixels per inch. So this is the 12 inches in total all the way across, 8 inches high. And remember, 72 ppi or pixels per inch, 72 is meant for computer monitors, and 300 is meant for printing. Follow the videos attached to create this project. You must label all filters with legible, readable typography. So every single image here is labeled, and it's legible not only because I wrote it in white bold, a white bold typography font, but I also did a little bit of a stroke on the outside of it so it could pop, especially on these lower ones. Each image is worth 4 points, and each label is worth 4 points, category and filter. So really 2 points each for the category and filter. What I mean by the category is this first word here, artistic, artistic, brushstrokes, brushstrokes. That's the category. And then the filter itself, colored pencil, neon glow, angled strokes, sprayed strokes. So make sure you have both the category and the filter that is being used. There are multiple filters for most of the categories. You can see all of them down here, all 12 images by filter category. Notice the first one, original, has no filter. Most of them have 2 different filters, but this one's stylized. There's only one filter available, and I'll show you what that is. That's this one in the bottom left-hand corner, stylized glowing edges. That's the only filter available. The rest of them, you will have your choices when creating this. In addition to what you see up here in the assignment, there is a document attached that I will have printouts available for you. The very top part of it is step-by-step instructions in writing to follow along. The videos are best so you could visually see what's going on. But then we also have the filter categories as listed in the assignment and the points as well. Okay, in the next video, we're going to look at Photoshop, and we are also going to see what it would look like in Photopea, and that they are slightly different.